standing in a corner at a party. They don't know that I hold 97% of my net worth in crypto and a bull market is coming. Pretty good stuff there. Nice little meme. If only they knew, right? And who knows? Hopefully this is what's coming. Time will tell. But it is crazy being in this space, and you know, most of us have most of our net worth deployed into crypto, and the average person just, you know, is going about their day, and then sometimes our portfolio is up or down like 30-40%, just massive swings, and the average person wouldn't even be able to fathom. They would be freaking out if they lost like a few $100 in a day. So it's just funny. Cool little meme. Today I wanted to talk about how we are really following the 2017 bull run cycle, the bear market before that, and then the bull run. The blockchain backer has had this chart on his channel for a while, like the past few years. I've been watching him for a long time, and he just made another video today showing this chart, going over it. So in the blue we have the fractal from Bitcoin back here in the bear market of 2013, 2014, 2015, right? Mostly 2014, 2015, into the bull run of 2016, 2017. Now, if you overlay this fractal to the peak of our last bull run, which is really right here, this first peak, this is when all the indicators peak. This higher high that we made right here wasn't actually the peak of the bull market. This is where most assets peaked, and this is where, again, all the indicators like the RSI and all the momentum indicators peaked. Blockchain backers also done lots of videos talking about that. So if we line this up right here to where the market peaked, you can see we followed pretty perfectly, right? We have a similar peak right here, right? A similar peak right here as well. Then we break down in the same way, and then we set a low right in the same area. And then here we made a bit of a lower low because of FTX. But ultimately, we end up breaking out of this bear market range on cue right here at the same time that we did in the 2015, 2016 area. We range for the same amount of time. We break out of this range at the same time into our next level. And then we end up pumping a lot higher here because of ETFs, and it's just been a stronger cycle. But ultimately, we came right back on track. We pumped a little higher, a little early, but then we've just been moving sideways and consolidating. And then really what's interesting is where we've been at right here. We got this final dip and shakeout just like we did in 2017 or 2016 right here before we broke previous all-time highs. And the structure here looks very similar, and it's playing out pretty perfectly. So if we were to say that this thing's going to keep following and breaking out at the same times that it has been with this fractal, we would expect to take these highs around September 14th. Okay. And the thing that's really important here is when we had this breakout here, blockchain backer was also talking about this. This part right here, when we broke these highs and we had this section of this bull run, that was the first major alt season. The second major alt season came over here on this retrace. Who knows if we're going to end up getting, I don't think that we get this full extended bull run. I think after we get this breakout, this first top here could end up being our top, right? I don't think we go up to like 750K. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see. But this is a very good indicator, or a very good sign, that what's coming next could be explosive for the altcoins, because that breakout is when XRP did this, right? This was all during that breakout, for like right before that breakout and as that breakout was happening for Bitcoin. So looks good, right? The similarities are uncanny, to say the least. So hopefully that is what is coming next for the market. But for now, let's move on. We'll continue and we'll look at some XRP news that we have today, right? Or here first, I guess, for Bitcoin, just showing again the similarities of different charts. So this is showing how our our retrace in 2020 into the C19 sell-off looks very similar structurally to what we have right now. Now we'd be expecting a recovery and then into the bull run. Here from Armando Pantoja. This won't get many likes. Here's the truth. Blockchain and crypto are still in the speculation phase. The real power lies in blockchain technology, not crypto. It's still very early and we're the ones leading the game. This is how millionaires are made. Yep. Here from Ashley Prosper. RLUSD testing, end of Ripple case, nominal, launching XRP USD futures. It's definitely an XRP August, more to come. So commenting here on how there is an exchange applying or notifying the CFTC that they're going to be launching a XRP futures, XRP futures trading. So this is basically the first step to an XRP ETF is the sentiment right now, because there were futures, so futures ETFs also for ETH and Bitcoin before we got these spot ETFs. So here from Crypto Insight UK commenting on it, this is sick. Remember, this is one of the requirements for a spot ETF. The digital asset must have a futures market. So, and now XRP will. So good news there. Here from Peppa, XRP versus USD, DOM and BTC. So talking here about these charts, showing how they're all very coiled up. XRP dominance, looking ready for a breakout, as well as XRP versus Bitcoin. And then, of course, our USD chart. All in the perfect area for us to be seeing a breakout here soon. He goes, XRP is probably the real effing deal, the true ticket to financial freedom. So we'll have to see. We've been saying it for a while, and it looks closer than ever. And again here from Tylee E. On the edge, as indicated, soon after the Bitcoin dominance backtest, it was just a matter of time for Bitcoin to take the dominance, or for XRP to take over dominance. Showing here the XRP USD chart and the Bitcoin dominance chart. We are looking for that Bitcoin dominance chart to pull back, hopefully, and start off our alt season. Good morning, crypto. These catalysts will change the game for XRP. Tokenization of real-world assets, USA partnership announcements, ETF filing and approval, Ripple IPO, Ripple stablecoin, full clarity on institutional sales, which we have now kind of. Partnership announcement, 7 years of accumulation, major XRPL updates and amendments, XRPL adoption growing, relisted on all exchanges worldwide. XRP has a unique advantage as the only digital asset with legal clarity in the US. What's your 2024 peak price projection for XRP? So just going over all of the bullish catalysts we have coming. Quickly here, I'll show you these two kind of just charts that people made, right? All the connections that Ripple has, and another one here saying I have zero doubt in XRP. Kind of just like a mind map, right? And I always like when I see these, just showing how interconnected everything is. We had a post from HBAR today for institutions to enter the Hedera network, whether that's through open source SDKs like the Hedera Stablecoin Studio, tokenized MMFs via Archax, or the expanding DeFi economy. It's essential that they have the best-in-class UX, whatever that means. I haven't been hearing too much from HBAR since that big BlackRock news a few months ago, so hopefully we hear more from HBAR soon. But I'll leave you with this from Sensei. Accumulate altcoins during the next 2 months. Sell everything beginning of 2025. Retire yourself. And that's the plan, hopefully, right? So hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, go check out Blockchain Backer's video on all of this that he uploaded today about how we're kind of repeating that 2017 cycle. Leave a like here on my video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.